curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Can you grow massive, healthy plants without using a single drop of dirt? Welcome to Hydroponics. Traditional soil just acts as a structural anchor and a storage tank for water and minerals. Hydroponics skips the soil entirely. It delivers water and exact chemical nutrients directly to the bare roots. Scientists mix precise amounts of essential macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, directly into the water supply. The water acts as a perfect solvent, carrying these dissolved minerals straight into the plant's vascular system. But roots also need to breathe. Air stones pump constant oxygen bubbles into the water so roots won't drown. Roots use this oxygen to perform cellular respiration, burning stored sugars to create massive growth energy. There are different systems. Deep water culture suspends plants directly into a continuously aerated nutrient reservoir. The nutrient film technique pumps a constant shallow stream of water across the very bottom of the roots. In aeroponics, roots hang completely in the air and are regularly blasted with a high-pressure nutrient fog. Indoors, the sun is replaced by LED lights tuned to the exact wavelengths required for maximum photosynthesis. This is controlled environment agriculture. Temperature, humidity, and water chemistry are perfectly calculated and digitally maintained. Because plants don't waste energy searching through dirt for food, they grow significantly faster and much larger. Hydroponics uses 90% less water than traditional farming because the system continuously recycles the fluid. Without heavy soil, farms can stack vertically inside cities, producing massive amounts of fresh food in tiny spaces. Remember, hydroponics replaces soil with nutrient-rich water, continuous oxygenation, and perfectly controlled environments to maximize plant growth. The future of agriculture is a precise science. Stay curious and keep growing. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.